In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an issue where your Instagram account may be logged in on another phone computer. Anything like that, you want to log your account out of that device. So to remove our Instagram account from any other device, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone. Once the app is open, select your profile icon in the bottom menu to navigate to your profile. And then once on your profile, select the three lines on the top right. This will open up the settings, and once the settings are open, select Account Center at the top, and then in Account Center, scroll down and under Account Settings. Select Password and Security. So now that we're in Password and Security, under Security Checks at the bottom, select where you're logged in now. Just select the account that you want to remove from another device. So I'm just going to select this, and then in here, it'll show us everywhere where our account is logged in. So the top one is your current device, so that's my iPhone. But if we go down, you'll see all the different devices that are currently logged in. So you have two options here. You can either find the device that you want to remove your account from and select it, and then just select Logout. Or if we go back to the list, you can also scroll all the way down to the bottom, then select Devices to log out. You can then select multiple devices or select all, and that'll log out every single device, except for the one that you're currently on from your Instagram account. Once you do that, just select Log Out, confirm you want to log all those devices out, and then you will have removed your Instagram account from another device.